Have you ever pondered the intriguing intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency? As we delve into the mind of Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, you might just find this convergence more intertwined than ever before. In a recent blog post, Buterin brilliantly dissected 4 potential overlaps of these two revolutionary technologies, painting a picture of a future where AI and cryptocurrency are not just parallel entities, but collaborative forces driving innovation. Firstly, Buterin explores the concept of AI as an actor within a protocol. He sees this as the most viable option, where AI could autonomously carry out transactions, manage portfolios, or even contribute to decision-making processes within decentralized autonomous organizations. Just imagine a world where your digital assets are not just managed, but strategically enhanced by an intelligent system, capable of analyzing market trends and making calculated decisions all in real time. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but one that never sleeps. Buterin then moves on to AI as an interface to a protocol. Here, the potential is vast, but it's not without its risks. Picture using voice commands to execute transactions or asking your AI assistant for real-time updates on your crypto assets. While this may streamline processes and make interactions more user-friendly, it also opens up a Pandora's box of security concerns. The third concept Buterin delves into is AI as the rules themselves. In this scenario, AI could be used to create and enforce the rules within a blockchain protocol. While this could lead to more efficient and adaptable systems, it also raises questions about control and manipulation. Who sets the rules in the first place, and can these rules be bent or broken by those with ill intentions? The final overlap Buterin discusses is AI as an end objective in itself. In this perspective, the notion is to use blockchain technologies to fund AI development, with the ultimate goal of creating a decentralized AI. However, this approach, while ambitious, is fraught with challenges. It brings to light the ethical implications of AI development and the potential dangers of creating an AI so powerful it could become a threat to humanity. Though these concepts might seem far-fetched, they are only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the possibilities that lie at the intersection of AI and cryptocurrency. As Buterin rightly points out, these are not just theoretical musings, but potential realities that we must carefully navigate as we hurtle into an increasingly digital future. As we close this chapter, it's evident that the overlap of AI and cryptocurrency is not just a mere coincidence, but a deliberate convergence that could shape the trajectory of technological advancement. It's a complex dance of innovation and caution, of potential and risk. But isn't that what makes the journey all the more exciting? So stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay ready for the future.